Talked about Jordan. Jordan won 57 games in 1993, right before the first retirement. The next year, without Jordan, the Bulls won 55 games with no Michael Jordan. 2-game difference. With LeBron, his last year in Cleveland, they won 61 games. The next season, when he left, 19 wins. So LeBron was doing it with a much weaker cast, bringing them to championship contention. And a lot of people, a lot of legendary players will tell you, in their opinion, Michael Jordan dominated a watered-down era. He didn't beat Magic's Lakers, Birds, Celtics, or Isaiah Thomas's Pistons when they were in their primes. When Jordan was winning championships, you typically had one superstar per team, maybe two at the most, but you had Ewing with the Knicks, Olajuwon with Houston, Drexler with Portland, Barkley with them. You didn't have big threes full of Hall of Famers. LeBron had to try to go through that against Boston. The Lakers were stacked. So you can make a strong argument that he had to play through tougher competition.